political tensions flare as threats to fire education, minister could dissolve South Africa's GNU. In a recent development that could have significant implications for South Africa's political landscape, Democratic Alliance, DA leader and Minister of Agriculture, John Steenhuisen, has expressed serious concerns over the potential dismissal of Minister of Basic Education Siviwe Gwarube. The backdrop to these tensions involves reported pressures within the ANC aimed at influencing President Cyril Ramaphosa to terminate Gwarube's tenure following disagreements over the Basic Education Laws Amendment Act. Steenhuisen's comments come in response to a Sunday Times article suggesting that internal ANC factions are pushing for Gwarube's ouster. The controversy stems from the Basic Education Laws Amendment Act, signed by President Ramaphosa, but with clauses 4 and 5 withheld for further consultation. This decision was made nearly 3 months ago and has since been a point of contention, with discussions ongoing through a new clearinghouse mechanism designed to streamline such government processes. The DA leader has vehemently opposed any attempts to dismiss Gwarube or any DA minister, asserting that such actions would essentially mark the termination of the Government of National Unity, GNU. According to Steenhuisen, Minister Gwarube has been actively engaging with stakeholders such as trade union Solidarity and representatives from the presidency at the National Economic Development and Labor Council, NEDLAC, following a dispute filed by the union. However, Steenhuisen criticized the presidency for distancing itself from the NEDLAC negotiations, despite the presidency's involvement in a settlement agreement with the basic education minister and the union. He described this move as both disgraceful and confusing, highlighting it as part of a broader mandatory process aimed at averting strike actions related to the dispute. Throughout his statement, Steenhuisen stressed the importance of adhering to the rule of law and the principles outlined in South Africa's constitution. He reaffirmed the DA's commitment to fostering positive change, inclusive economic growth, and job creation, underscoring that any deviation from these principles would not be tolerated. This unfolding situation reflects deeper issues within the South African government's functionality and the fragile nature of coalition governance in the country. The potential fallout from firing a key minister could lead to significant political and educational reform implications, affecting governance stability and continuity. As this story develops, it will be crucial to monitor how these disputes are resolved and what this means for the broader political consensus within the Government of National Unity. The future of South Africa's educational policies and its political equilibrium hangs in the balance. Thank you for choosing Satori News.